Video problem 1. So up here we have our base, over here we have our acid. The electrons over here on the sulfur attack the hydrogen or the proton over here that's attached to the nitrogen, making it its own. So you can see curved arrow here making the hydrogen its own, and then the lone pair over here, or the bond over here, turning into a lone pair here. So that would make this the conjugate acid, and this the conjugate base, which is a strong base. This is a weak acid. With the pK, because it's a higher value, it makes it a weak acid. Also, because it would not dissociate fully, because it is highly electronegative and would do anything, or I guess that doesn't sound right, but it would be more inclined to hold on to its protons rather than donate them or let them be taken. Over here we have our weak base, and let's see, this is a weak base, this is a strong acid because it has a low pK value, meaning this would dissociate fully, making it like this. Let's see, over here, I already have the pKa values, so this, this would have the higher pKa, also, or mainly because it is more electronegative, which would hold these more tightly and would not get rid of them as easily as this one would. I got these pKa values from looking in the back of the, or not in the back, in chapter 2 of the Smith book, also in the lecture notes that Holly had posted of relative pKa values. Let's see, for the equilibrium position, I would expect it to stay more on the reactant side because the weak base and the weak acid, they're less likely to become a strong acid or a strong base because these will fully dissociate. And that because the pKa of the strong acid is so low, it is more likely for it to stay here than for it to come to here, or should I say, it's more likely for this to dissociate and not come back to being this than for this to dissociate and then come back to this. So let's see, so which two species will be present in the highest concentration at equilibrium? I believe that it would be the reactants, mainly because I believe that at equilibrium it favors the reactants over the products.